I watched people in 2020 roll over and give up their freedoms. The media used fear to control people, and the left used fear to promote their agenda. They proved to us that they will do anything to get their agenda put into place. And I watched people across this country just roll over and give up their freedom of assembly. The government told me I can't meet with anybody anymore. Okay. I watched people say the government tells me I can't go to church. Okay, they took away their freedom of religion. People gave up their freedom of speech. We have done a poor job educating people about the protection of these freedoms. Throughout the pandemic, I did press conferences every single day, and I would give updates, but some of those press conferences changed because I realized I couldn't just say what I was deciding. I had to tell them why I was making that decision. I gave a whole press conference just on freedom. I gave another press conference just on the Constitution and what rights it protects and what role we shouldn't be looking to the government to do. I did a whole press conference on people turning off the news, getting some perspective, going for a walk, spending time with their family. We need to educate people about what has made this country so special for hundreds of years. Our founding fathers were flawed, absolutely they were. But they led our country through challenging times, and we can learn something from every single one of their stories, and they gave us the greatest gift that was ever made in the history of mankind, and that is this country and our freedoms. We need to teach our kids that honest and true history. We need to make sure that they understand the value of the Constitution and the foundation that it gives us for our way of life.